How to create product bundles in WooCommerce. Navigate to WooCommerce products and click on Add New to create a new product. Set a name for the bundle product, for instance, Clothes Bundle. And click on Add Media and select an image for your product bundle. Now navigate to the Product Data panel and select Product Bundle as the product type. After selecting Product Bundle as the product type, the Product Bundles tab will appear in the Product Data panel. Navigate to the Product Bundles tab and click on the Add Bundle button to add a new bundle item to the product bundle. Then in Item 1, select the Use Default Product to add a default product to the item. Now search for a product and select it. We selected Polo as the default product. Then you can click on Add Bundle button to add a new item to the bundle and select a default product for it. We create 3 items as in the previous step. In Item 2, we select T-shirt as the default product. Then click on the Add Bundle button to add the third product. And in Item 3, we select Hoodie with Logo as the default product. And finally, click on the Publish button to publish the bundle product in your WooCommerce store. You will see the product bundle page like this. Product bundle name. Added products. By clicking on each product, a pop-up page will open where you can see the added product or products. And you can see the list of products like this. By clicking on Add to Cart, you will see bundled products like this in the shopping cart. Thanks for watching. Please support us by like and subscribe to our channel and checking the description for more information.